Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red and this is Lady Red's Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look and unbox the Moto 15G. Brand new and available here at Cricket Wireless. So stay here, leave a like if you enjoy the content, drop a comment if you have any questions, and as always, subscribe to the channel and ring that bell and get all the notifications for the new videos. Okay, so today we're going to take a quick look and unbox the Moto 15G. We're not going to go too deep into the features. They are the Motorola features and they are available to check it out on any other Motorola unboxing here on the channel. And we're not going to go too deep into the camera, but we are going to take a quick look at it. So let's take a look. And don't forget, check with your local retailer for pricing and availability, and as always, the specs will be at the very end of the video. Be sure to stay here and take a look at those. All right, we have the Motorola 15G, a 5G Android smartphone with 6.7-inch Cinema Vision display, 48 megapixel quad camera system, ultra-wide selfie camera system, 2 days of battery life, and up to 128 gigs of internal storage. So let's take a look at it. All right, inside we have your device, SIM card that comes with every Cricket device, volume 1, stuff people don't read, and now we have volume 2 of stuff people don't read, volume 3 of stuff people don't read, and we have your charging block. This is a high output charging block and a Type-C charging cord. All right, and here we have the device. It's kind of heavy. Of course, it's got that big 5,000 milliamp per hour battery, so that is going to add some weight and some serious camera hardware. But look at that color. I absolutely love this color. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, so here we have your quad cam system, your 48 megapixel quad cam system with your flash. Beautiful, beautiful finish on the back. I'm digging this color. And a side mount fingerprint scanner that is also your power key and your volume rocker. On the other side, we have your SIM tray right here. And on the bottom, we have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, Type-C charging, and a bottom firing speaker and microphone. And on the top, you'll also see another secondary microphone. On the front, dual selfie cameras. How awesome is that? And a nice little tucked in speaker. So let's fire it up and get it on going. Okay, so we've got it all set up and ready to go. And so far, I've been playing with it just a little bit, and the display is fabulous. Very vibrant. Big phone. Big phone. Let's take a look at the settings. And like I said, we're not going to go real deep into this. We are just going to take a quick look. Something I do want to point out, this is NFC True. I just want to put that out there for you. We do have NFC True, so you will be able to use it for Google Pay or for transferring content from one device to another. You can also use Nearby Share. Of course, it will connect to your Chromebook. Cast is enabled on this. You can connect to your printer. Obviously, Bluetooth is on it, and Android Auto is standard. So for everybody that loves NFC and loves to complain that Cricket never offers NFC with their devices, here you go, an NFC True device just for you. Apps and notifications. As always, you're going to want to take out the bloatware and disable the Chrome notifications because they will send you some pretty foul stuff. lots of very embarrassed old ladies coming in the store with some very foul notifications. Your bloatware will not come in until you add your Google account to the phone. So just be aware of that. They are doing a lot better in the bloatware, adding a lot less junk. So battery, if you want to check your battery life, here you go. Adaptive battery is available, and I do advise using that. Display, if you want to turn on dark theme, you can turn that on here now, or turn it off if you don't want it. Your adaptive brightness, you can change the style of your phone. Everything in any way related to the display will be in this menu. Full screen, peak display, screen time out, colors, always display refresh rate, font size. If you want to change your font size, you would do that here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up for you just for the sake of the video, so it's a little easier for you to see. And screen record is available standard with this device. That is awesome. You don't have to download a third-party app for screen record, and of course 3-finger screenshot is available as well, as with every Motorola device. Privacy and your permissions, location security, screen lock is right here. You're going to notice you're going to have your standard screen lock, fingerprint, and face unlock. Those are all going to be available. Accessibility, make sure all of these are turned off, or it can really get on your nerves, unless of course you do have an impairment and you do need to use those features. Your Google account, ratings and feedback, how to troubleshoot topics, system, everything is found right here. And of course Android 11 is our operating system. About phone, let's see what it'll tell us. Usually Motorola is pretty good about giving us the information. 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, a 25 by 20 by 1080, 2520 by 1080 display, your camera specs, and yes, NFC is enabled. So that's our quick look at the settings. Like I said, we're going to take a very quick look at this device today. I want to get into the camera just to show you how awesome this camera is. The dual selfie lens, this right up here, you're going to be able to do some pretty cool stuff and take some pretty good pictures with that. I just want to show you real fast. Group selfies are fantastic. There we have one of our customers, Erin and Amy, all there in one shot. And the color on it is really good too. If you'll notice that the green is very vibrant. All the colors are really popping, and this is without any filters and under harsh, terrible fluorescent lights. The reds are popping, the greens are popping, even that yellow back there in the background. Of course, we're in the store today, so there's not a lot of good pictures I can take. I did take it outside. If you want to look at that, looks really nice. Very nice. The trees in the background stand out very well against all that blue. And inside, there's a lot of white in here, and every phone I've used, I've noticed the same thing. With the white, it reflects, and you can see through here. It just sort of refracts that light wave through here, and it really gets on my nerves, to be perfectly honest. But there's not a lot I can do about it. I've tried different devices, different features, different settings, and nothing seems to help that. But it's only because there's so much white and so much bright light in here. But you can get an idea of how much detail we are dealing with right here in the store. Those greens are just popping, and the red, it looks so good. And of course, you've got your Google launcher over here with your Google Assistant, and your apps are just a flick of the finger. So that is your quick super fast look at the Moto 15G. For a more in-depth look for any Motorola features, they're all the same. You can check out any other Motorola unboxing here on the channel. But for the purposes of today's video, we are just taking a very quick look at this one. And that's it. So be sure to stay here and look at the specs. Check out those specs. They're going to be in the very next frame. And as always, drop a comment if you have any questions. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Ring my bell and get all the notifications for the new videos.